Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing November's Boxycharm, and then we are going to be doing a little mini tutorial using the products that are inside. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Nicolette. I make weekly videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and give the video a big thumbs up if you like what you see. And as always, my social media links are down below for you guys. Be sure to check it out. Give me a follow. Let's be friends. We have this video and one more video left of November, and then we are on to Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are too. Like I said, please don't forget to subscribe to check out our weekly vlogs in December. Vlogmas is going to start off really good. I will say that just because we're taking a trip. But anyway, let's go on ahead and get started. So as you guys can see, I already opened the box, but just because, of course, I wanted to see what was inside of it, but I knew that the boxes had these. Well, I believe all of them. Actually, I think you either get this or you get lashes. I got the brush cleaner. First off, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box, obviously, with full-size products. It does retail for $21 a month. You get about 4 to 5 full-size products. Each month it comes with a card describing what is in the box. So this month's theme is Gold Digger, which is so cute. Okay, so like I said, I got the Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleaner. This retails for $12, and it says cleansing and disinfecting your brushes have never been easier. Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleanser, excuse me. The cleansing spray easily disinfects and conditions your brushes. So the reason I wanted to use this is because I haven't cleaned my brushes, and I was like, okay, well, hey, that'll be the first thing that we do. So I cleaned my brushes when I was doing my makeup this morning with this guy. The only other Bodyography product I had was a brow trio that I actually got in a Boxycharm. If you guys see me fidgeting around with my shirt, it's because it's fucking bothering me and I don't feel like getting up and changing. Anyway, so this is what the box looks like. As I told you guys, I did take out the spray. If you guys hear my husband screaming, he's watching the Lakers game. So the next thing I see is some brushes. This is the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. I was excited about this just because I've been needing some new brushes. So these retail for $21. So that is what I really like about Boxycharm. These 4 brushes in itself retail for $21, but I'm getting it in a box with other products that I'm already paying $21 for. And you know what I'm saying? You're getting more for what you pay for. Does that make sense? There's a really big description that I don't feel like reading, but they're just eye brushes, so yeah. So the next thing I'm taking out is a pair of tweezers. These are the Farah Galaxy Gold tweezers. This retails for $12. These are cute. Ooh, these are like very heavy duty. Okay, these are cute. So we also have the Cover FX glitter drops. This retails for $44. Cover FX is a really great brand. I can't say that I've used any of their drops. Hopefully I really like this one. The only bad thing, to me at least, is that there's glitter in it. I'm not the biggest fan of glitter on my face just because I don't think it looks flattering on me, but you know, we'll see how that goes. If I don't end up using it, I can definitely just put it on display. I do plan, you guys let me know first. Do you see this big empty space right here? I'm debating if I want to put a plant there or if I want to put shelves there, and then on the shelves I'll just put like makeup out and stuff like that, or you know, something cute and like decorative. Anyway, let me know, plant or shelves, let me know. All right, and the last thing, I was very excited about this for when it has bubble wrap, but it's a palette from Ace Beauty, I believe that's how I see other people pronouncing it, but, or it could be Beauty, I don't know. That sounds very bougie. But look how, ooh, this packaging is so freaking pretty. Look at that. I kind of want to keep this. If you guys didn't know, I am a very big sucker for packaging. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's so freaking pretty. So these are the shades literally right up my alley. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. They look very pigmented too. I honestly don't even want to touch it. When I get new palettes, I never want to touch them because the pans are just so nice and silk and so nice and like clean. Okay, so that's all that's in the box. We're just gonna, oh my, they are very pigmented. Hold on. They're very soft as well. I like that. Right now I am swatching the 3 shimmery shades that are in, I don't know, they might even come out foiled. These are the 3 shimmery shades. I think they're so beautiful. They are very pigmented, which I love. I have yet to swatch the matte shadows, but I think I'm just gonna hop right into it because I really want to play with them. So that is it for this month's box. If you guys have this subscription, let me know if you guys got the lashes or if you guys got the Bodyography brush cleaner, or if you guys got something different, let me know. But yeah, we're gonna hop right in. We're gonna do our eyes, and then we are going to apply some of this. We'll see how I like it. But yeah, I did this eye on camera, and then I looked at my thing and it stopped recording, so I have no idea where the hell I left off. But we're just gonna do this eye now. So I am going to go in with this shade right here, which is in the shade Poppy. Hold on, let it focus. This guy right here, I'm gonna go in with the shade Poppy on the Luxie 121 tapered brush. Okay guys, so the eyes are all done. I love the way it came out. So this is what I want to point out about the palette. I love everything about it. I can't say I don't like anything about it. The shades blended out so good. In the pan, they look very shimmery, but when I applied them, now I did spritz my brush, but when I did apply them, they came out, the shimmery shade at least, came out a little bit more on the foiled side versus the shimmery side, which I have no problem with. They're very pretty. I only use the shade Myrtle on my lids out of the 3 shimmery shades, I guess. Actually, I'm sorry, excuse me. There's 4 shimmery shades. There's this guy right here. It's in the shade Rose, very pretty. I definitely could have used that guy as well. But all of the matte shades blended out so good, and I don't know, you guys, they are so pigmented. So if you guys don't have Boxycharm, but you guys are interested in the palette, I highly recommend getting it. I have nothing bad to say about it. Plus, the pan sizes are really good. Like, those are really big pan sizes for eyeshadows. So I just applied some liner and lashes, as you guys can see. We're just gonna move on into finishing the face. I'm going to dip into the Cover FX glitter drops. I'm not the biggest fan of glitter, but we're just gonna have to, I'm just gonna go little by little. This is pretty though, I will say. Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. Me like it. And I haven't even used a drop yet. I'm just using what's on the outside. So I am just going to apply this to the highest points of my face. It is very, very, very pretty. You know, from afar, you really can't see the glitter, which is good. I do like it on my nose, I will say that. Can't really say anything bad about it just because this is my first time trying it. I will definitely let you guys know how I like it. I feel like I'll use it in a few more tutorials just to see how I like it. So far, so good though. I mean, I don't have anything bad to say about it. I'm just gonna take Dripping in Gold and Bubbly. I'm gonna mix those two. I'm just gonna go right here. I will say I really like it. I think it definitely enhances the highlight, but the only thing I don't like, and I feel like this is like with any type of drop you use, if you don't blend it out right before you apply the highlight, you see the lines. Does that make sense? You see that right there? So clearly I didn't blend it out well enough right there, but also up here. Let me see if I blend it out first with this. But other than that, I mean, it's okay. Okay guys, so overall I love this month's box. I definitely enjoyed the palette, like I told you guys. The brushes were okay. I will definitely be using them, but I feel like these are more, I don't know, it's hard using like mini sized brushes because they don't have a lot of bristles like normal sized brushes do. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. This is a normal size tapered brush, and then this is a mini size. You know what I'm saying? So blending does take a little bit more time, but I see myself using these brushes for the areas that I need more precision in. I can definitely see myself using these for the for the lower lash line. I actually use this guy for the lower lash line. I use this to blend out right up in here, But like I said, it did take a bit more time, so that's why I switched. But I do like the brushes. I like the quality of them. And I mean, look how cute they are. They're gold and sparkly. So cute for the season. So definitely enjoyed those. Of course, I definitely enjoyed this guy. I was using it throughout the whole entire tutorial. It's just always nice to have a brush cleaner on hand. Definitely enjoyed that. I actually used the tweezers to apply my lashes. They are very heavy duty and I like that. It's not bad. The drops were for me. I normally don't use drops like this. I used to use actually an illuminating stick, like when I back in the day. But I don't know. I kind of steer away from stuff like this just because right here, that's where I tend to break out, like on my highlighting spots. So I feel like with just regular highlight, it looks okay, but I feel like with the drops, it definitely enhances that area, obviously. So, you know, when I put the drops on and the highlights, it definitely brings out the like acne that I do have right here when I am breaking out. So that's why I try to stay away from this, just because I think I'm okay with just regular, you know, powdered highlights, I guess you can say. Right now, I can't say anything bad about it just because it is a first impression for me. Like I said, I'll wear it more and let you guys know how I like it. Alrighty guys, and that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's box. Again, if you guys have this box, please let me know how you guys like it, how you don't like it. Let me know if you guys got different products. If you guys got the lashes, please let me know how you guys like them. I have nothing else to say except thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!